Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we live. What's going on? We are, what is January 3rd? July 3rd. Micro Don. What's going on? Half day today because of the holiday weekend. Man, I didn't even realize it was going to be 2 days off. Yeah. What happened yesterday? Got something a little more healthy today. This is an Aspire. Yeah, so it's supposed to be more healthy than Red Bull. Tastes like it. Yo, what's up, OG? What's on the books today? Ah, man. LIXT. Yeah. Oh, man, it already broke 350 in pre-market. That's actually pretty good. Sold at the bottom. Oh, man. Man, I got a few losses of me raising my stop prematurely, getting stopped out by like 1 or 2 cents on a higher low, and then like that being the last pullback before the run. I got so many of those. Are we open? Definitely we're open. Okay. Yo, what's up, Leon? Yeah, LIXT is going off. I got LIXT GITS, which I'm minimally hopeful for. Um, let's get on over here. Yo, what up, T-Lo? Appreciate you. Dang, Leon, you up another 2R, bro? Trendline Trey in the building. What's up, Smiley? You talking about on the daily chart? I thought I could see timing sales on this thing. It's like super whack without seeing timing sales. What's up, Black Beauty Machine? Said do it. uh yeah, so GITS MINM. I wanted to not automatically put this shadow order up every time I open this. um, GITS. Hmm. SPLG. Yeesh. 506. Yeah, Gits is looking pretty active right now. Looking pretty active. Man. All right, gang, don't forget to hit the like button on your way in for me. The new folks, say what's up in the chat and hit the sub. We are paper trading back to success. BBAI, man. It had a big day yesterday, kind of, though. Wow, it's still going, huh? There's got to be a way to turn that off. Bruh. Killing the game, Leon. He said, I'll holler at y'all next week. Yeah, this guy's ready. Could say this high. Dang, that's what's up, Leon. I want to add this play in some kind of way. This break where you get the high on a green candle and then the next candle pulls back and then breaks. This is us. But we shall wait for the red. We shall wait for the red. No, not as an orb, but like I see it other places. Like I see it on other times when it retakes the EMA. I think this would probably be the one place to not take it, but I don't know, man. I think I've kind of figured out the open a little bit more. High day, Billy. Yeah. Yeah, you got to take the second one, Trey. Yeah, I've been, bro. The open is making so much more sense to me now, and really, it's just pre-market. Just like for the longest time, I've always felt like the pre-market price action was completely separate from the open price action, which was separate from the price action that happened after the open shook out. But it's like it feels like that on the one for sure. But like when you zoom out, it makes sense. Like it flows. Like right here, you got the trend line break here, and then you got the higher low. You could just boom, bam, bow, you know? So yeah, I've been thinking about the open and pre-market a lot too. Yeah, it gets looking real good. I just need that pullback candle. Man, the thing though, the higher high to the setup, it's problematic when it's the highest volume candle of the day. Yeah, like cause now it's like looking like a rejection. I mean, it is totally one. 475 before 940. Hmm. So you say 475 because it's $0.75 or because you see there's a level somewhere out there that I don't see. Yeah, why 75? Okay. The high of this candle. VWAP in 3/4. Okay. Got you. Got you. Hey, LIXT is looking violent over here. Come on down. Come on down. What is all of that nonsense? Do not bands. Style. That's nice right there on LIXT. That's nice. Now, if this red candle got super low volume, then it's not so bad. Hey, MINM curling up. Mm. Oh. High day break under VWAP isn't as bad. Huh. Interesting. I think Gits is looking kind of entry worthy over here. Kind of a wide stop. Yeah. What's up, Focus? Mogo? What time is it? That's some time. What's the volume like? 2 million? Yeah, that's nasty work right there, boy. That's nasty work. A&M and GITS is looking real prime right now. What's this thing doing? Oh yeah. BMNR in at 62. That's crazy that that thing is at 62. What up, Red? Breaks VWAP. The entry gonna be breaking VWAP. Yeah, that's crazy. We're rejected. Hmm. There goes LIXT. It was looking real nice over VWAP right there. Uh, I'm just kind of keeping an eye on it. Like I got it grayed out because I don't want it to like stand out in my mind, but I want to be able to find it when I want to know what it is. I had it on my chart Friday. Yeah. Yeah, the daily over 350 though is not bad. And then you get over 440, this thing really could go crazy. Yeah, GITS is fading out of play. See on rocket mode. MINM. Got the EMA reset. Got a high right here. Yeah. Yo, LIXT is strong. Strong. You just gonna buy it off of the lows? Low is 337 though. New low of day on MINM. What to do with this thing? I really dislike the tweezer. Closed underneath the EMA, so pretty much at a new reset. Yo, what up, Brian? That thing is scuba diving. What's scuba diving? This thing? Look at this little volume. That's not scuba diving at all, bro. We'll see though. We shall see. Dang, here goes LIXT right through that daily resistance. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Nah, I didn't see the offering. That's bit. Just got one of them squawkers over there, huh? Couldn't do it. Yeah. It could happen. I know. I just realized. Is that the one you talking about, HH? The $5 million private placement that Brian mentioned? I saw that this morning, but that's from yesterday. That thing is going. Can't wait for the pullback. Can't wait for the pullback. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen with GITS today. It's still early. It's still very early, actually. BMNR. Yeesh. I mean, it didn't move that much. I mean, 55 to 72. 55 to 72. Yeah, it's pretty wild. Pretty wild. What's that even look like on the daily? Sure, it's. Oh, that's that third day squeeze, Trey. Or is that be fourth day? Yeah. Yo, Trey, this was the 3-day squeeze. Yo, LIXT over 440 is gonna be bananas. It's already almost there. Oh, yo. Dang, bro. Look at that. Just went through all my little levels. Just need that pullback, dog. You bought it 3.9? Yo. Mm. Mm-hmm. From Gits? When'd you get in Gits? I thought you was waiting till 10. Oh yeah, I'm counting on the dip, HH. The higher it goes up, the more excited I get. Yeah, I'm just it's starting to change. It's starting to change in here. And I just see my place. I see my place in the chart and I see where it ain't. And it's definitely not where Red Devil's place is. And that's something we're just gonna have to come to terms with. $5 that I will lose. Hades. Yeah, I'm not just looking for momentum though. I'm looking for an uptrend that I can count on repeatedly to find. I understand. I understand. You definitely told me. Ooh, yeah, highest volume of the day. Sell signal right below the breakout level. That makes it very interesting for the next time. Ah, that sucks, Leon. Yeah, come on down. Let's go. Come on down. Holla at your boy. Damn, Leon, I forgot you was in that thing. Yeah, I can imagine. Yikes. Yeah, at least you got out at 375 for real. Nah, HH, we don't think that. Yeah. Yeah, I like it much better in this moment than after this high volume high. I think that may need to actually be an official disqualifier. If the higher high is highest volume of the day, can't do it. But I think it's more so depending on how the candle closes and what happens afterwards. And this candle closed pretty bearish, so makes sense. ATR high. I need that thing to crash back down to like 275. Yeah, she's pretty wild. Pretty wild. Trading quite nicely too. Dang, it's about to break out. Dang, this thing is going to 100. What's up, Knives? This high is 74.80. Oh, yeah. Hundo. GITS. Yeah, that haul down is super brutal. They got what's the bid on LIXT? They showing a bid or ask on it? Three. Okay. It's not too bad. Nice. Well done, Red Devil. Well done. Mm-mm. Hey, Wave Rider. What's up, man? Just chilling, man. Waiting for that wave to come. Yeah, man. Surf's up. Man, I think my surfing dreams are fading away, man. I think I'm just getting too old because the idea of being in some water where a shark could just pull up on me. Like, why? Why would I do that? Why? I'm telling you, bro, just pull up on me. Are they that? Are they so rare? Yeah, I don't know, man. I mean, I would assume that all the places that people normally surf are places that they expect sharks not to be, right? Or they just out there, what they just out there wilding. Hmm. How you provoke a shark, bro? That's like that's like a gazelle provoking a lion. Like, bro, it's food. Your existence is provocation. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I got you. That makes sense. Oh yeah. Okay. It definitely looks like it broke the trend line. I can see that. We got LIXT back to the EMA. Oh, really? That's crazy. Yeah, nah. I mean, I can swim really well. I was a lifeguard from like 14 to 18. And but man, that being in that ocean water is way different than being in a swimming pool. Yeah, nah, ain't no way I'm going surfing. It ain't no way. I'm just cool on all big bodies of water, honestly. Like, I just to take myself that far out of my element, like my wife want to go on a cruise, and I'm just like, you want to get on the boat and sail into the middle of the ocean, like so far that you can't see land anywhere. Like, you know how small a boat is in the middle of the ocean? Like, it don't matter how big it is. In the middle of the ocean, that boat is small. I'm telling you, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm good, man. I'm good. These feet were made for walking. Really? Man, what cruise line? It was like I think is there like an Alaskan cruise line? I think. Yeah, and I definitely wasn't getting on them hood cruise lines, bro. They're fire, man. Holland America. Yeah, bro. I seen some ghetto cruise ship footage, bro. I'm like, I don't want that one. I don't want that one, bro. I don't want one with kids, and I don't want one where it's gonna be like a crazy party. Like, yeah, I need a chill joint. Um, you did you jump in my NM? Nah, I didn't hit 350. Good. Good, 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 good. Yes. Oh yeah. It's about to get popping. Where's the volume? Oh, I can only have two indicators at a time. Is that what's happening? Is that why I can't see volume? That don't even count though. Uh, that's wild. Okay, cool. Okay, it was just like glitched out. Dead stock walking. Can't see volume because it has none. uh, oh yeah, really? I've been so curious about Germany as of late. It's so interesting. 14R on the NQ. Dang. It's because the jobless claims, right? It's just going straight up. Yeah. Dang. Way to go, bro. Way to go. 848. At 848. Dang, you bought in this dip right here? Yo. Man. All right, GITS. What we doing over here? Still ain't got no high. Did you short this yet, Red Devil? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 80%. Got room back down to 4. I was thinking the same thing, Ben. I was like, that's interesting. That's interesting. I just hit it with the Elmo shrug, like, all right. Hey man, I don't argue with nobody, man. They say they doing it, they doing it. Let's go. I'll celebrate. Let's go. Bought Jits at 435. I like it, man. I think it looks great. I'm just waiting for that red candle. Yeah, that's definitely what he said, Ben. I seen it. I don't know how he spell about where he from, but under rewap. Dang, it is quite a bit under rewap there. I like what LIXT is doing over here, man. What up, Rob? Hey, NQ got him. NQ got him lit, Trey. Hey, 14R do something to you. Oh man, you got 14R. It's like, I mean, you know. Just the official short call, Red Devil. Timestamp it. This is it. Michael Jackson. Hmm. I gotta put this up over here now. Bro, if this goes to 90 right now, I am going to die. God, last minute here. What's that looking like? Look like it might need another pullback, honestly. I think it needs another candle back, to be honest. What's the 15 looking like? Yep. Yep. Yeah, I think I slapped. Yo. Ooh. That looks pretty bullish right there. We'll see though. That looks pretty bullish. Dun, 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 dun. Hmm. Yeah, forgot about the half a day thing already. Huh. Hmm. that my line or is it not my line? Because we got that 437. That's 423. Very kind, sir. Oh, look at that volume pop. That's nice. But is it 422? Volume got real light over here though. Like 20K to 5K a candle. It's pretty lame. Pretty solid, Ben. Hmm. Yeah, I saw it pop up later that day. BMNR. GC. Wow. Wow. Dang, bro. Well, LIXT is dying a slow death. Ran up and got slapped, and now it's the gap that made it ideal is almost completely closed. Yeah, that thing is a wrap. Yep. Two L's on small caps. Dang on small caps. Nice. Ooh, BMNR is looking mucho atractivo. Yeah. Feel the same way. This might be that prime time right here on GITS. I bet that 15 looking saucy. Nope. Not at all. BMNR is done. Cooked, finished, terminado. I don't know, man. Those are some very strong words. Holding up very well. And yeah, it looks pretty good, bro. Yeah. Ooh, RIP, man, if you're short. RIP. Hope your stop loss is in place. RIP. Yeah, see, if you throw a maybe in there, sounds a little more practical. Leave some room for, the market to market. GITS. Yeah, that's definitely the one that still has my eye. Um, Joker just downtrending though. So what you're actually saying is you are done with BMNR is what you're saying. Yeah, you're done. You're done. There you go. Hey. Hey. Croak. Hey. New high of day on BNMR. There's 90, Brian. 92.78 high of day. Yo. I mean, this doesn't look like a fool's play. This looks like super bullish right here. Like, golly. Golly, right now. No. 100 incoming. Golly. You were right about this being the move for today, though, Red Devil. You were definitely right with that. What up, Uncle Paul? Chilling, man. Yeah, that was a super sweet entry right there. Wow. All these 5 minute pullbacks are really nice. Thanks for the update, Ben. Make sure you let us know where you cover. Uh-oh, MINM doing the little dance. Trying to come holla at your boy. We'll see. 343. See what you got there. Let me know what you come up with. Yeah, it's definitely. I mean, it would have to come in like and do something. Something gotta happen. 97. Disciple of Jim Cramer. Looking like a no trade day. Still got time though. Still got a little bit of time. Why no trades? Because the strategy that I trade did not see any opportunities today. Not yet. Mm-hmm. I think I'm missing some data over here on Trading View because my Webull is over 342 already. This is at 340. Come on, 100. It's coming, man. think it's gonna happen. It'll be epic. Oh wow, it just tapped 98. Man, the student loans is wild, man. They don't love us over here, man. That's what's up. Yeah, I didn't. That was like one of the main sales was me telling my parents that I would or my people that, they're gonna pay for school. When I get back, I can go to school. I did like 2 semesters, bro. Had to get to work, man. Yo, yeah, ended up going into construction. Little trend line breaky breaky. Yeah, such is life, man. Yo, 98.65. Look at that thing. $99.41. Wow. That's crazy. To think we was trading this just the other day on this day, right? 12 to 34. Yep. That's what's up. Day three mover. Yeah, I liked it too. That 3 day is nice, man. I've been paper trading since the beginning of this week, bro. Since since the start of July. Yeah, I'm just taking a little time out right now. Wow, 102.50. Yeah, thanks Red Devil for having my back there. Quality member of the team there. There's 102.50, Brian. Good lord. I mean, all you've really shown us, Red Devil, is you take really fast trades of large size and you also hold them until you win, I guess. I don't know. I mean, 104.50. Yeah, scalper. And I'm just like, you know, like there's other ways to trade the market, right? There's the slap. Close enough, yeah, bro. If you was waiting for 105, hopefully you started selling at 104 and just waited till you got as high as you could. Well, this thing is not going today. Not today. Nah, I never got in. I haven't taken any trades today, HH. Yeah, but not happy. Where'd you get in at, Focus? Whoa, 106.50, Trey. Thing said, hold up, man. Hold up, man. 398. Okay, well, that's not terrible. How long you been sitting in it, though? Yeah. See, this is why, like, if I'm trying to catch a trend, this is why I wait for confirmation. Because, there's lots of places that you could have bought. But if I'm actually waiting for a trend, then all of these would have not been the right place to buy, right? And we're still making lower highs on the downtrend. So that's why I have these confirmations in place so that I cannot enter here and I can actually enter when it does start the actual uptrend, you know, your whole life. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I do that quite a bit too. But I mean, it's a reasonable trade to expect. Well, yeah, that's way up there. You got quite a few levels to cross to get up there. Hmm. Yeah, like if you waited for a confirmation before you called out that short on BMNR, you might not have lost the points that you lost by it now being at 102. You get signals that things are about to happen, and then you get the confirmation that it is in fact happening, and they're just two different times to buy. Like here you can see there is a reversal, but is it actually going to uptrend? Well, let's wait and see what happens after it makes a high. Oh, look, it falls right back down. It's not uptrending. Oh, look, there's another hammer. Okay, this might be the reversal. Let's see what it does. Does it hold? Nope. Falls right back down. If it held, that would be confirmation, and then I would get in for the uptrend. I don't see why that doesn't make sense. Nah, you lost credibility. It's what you lost. Yeah. This is a chat. Like, this is we're all chatting about price action and stuff. So when you step out and make a bold statement, like something is done. It's over. Like you're saying that you're stepping out on a line to show everyone your superior price action reading, right? And so when it doesn't work, that's a risk that you take by stepping out and look a little bit like an ass. No, you explained that afterwards, bro. Yeah. He been getting called out the last few days. This ain't his first time. And it's not that it's not okay to be wrong. It's just to not to make statements as if it's impossible for you to be wrong. Right, exactly. So that's why we make statements like this could happen, this might happen. If it does this, then it'll probably do that, you know? All right, cool. We'll consider that on future proclamations. Uh, let's see, curling back around. I don't know though. What up, Bond? Legacy trading in the house. Ever. Hmm. 108.15. Strategy. 109. 110. Golly. Eventually, yeah. uh, 111. There's 111, Brian. We get nada. Nada. Look at this hole down here, though. It's funny the people who choose to look at the market like that. I don't know. I never felt the need to look at it like that. Like me winning automatically means someone else is losing. Um, because maybe the guy buying my shares is gonna sell them even higher. You don't know that. 117, bruh. That's not how it works. If you're winning, someone else definitely lost. No, everybody can win. In 412, risking 398. Yeah. But it is what it is. What do you mean? What was the just this trend line break right here? Wedge breakout. Yeah, I do like the ascending support. Think your stop's kind of high for it to benefit from that ascending support, though. Still looking like an all-out downtrend from my book. 120. Yeah, bro, it's crazy. Round trip. Oh man. AG. Yep. That's what that was. That's what's up. What? Yeah, this thing's a freight train. It is a freight train. Oof. Good Lord. New high a day, 120. Yeah. One 121, 123, 125. Bro, this is madness. This is madness. Good Lord. Nice short. Oh, man. The short was short lived. Wow. Is that halted? 15 on Monday. Dang. Man, I wish LIXT was hanging out over three. He stood in front of the trade. Oh man. Picture that Spider-Man movie where he had the webs and he was trying to hold the train. Oh man. Bruh. If this would have been me, like if I did that, you know how Red Devil would be dogging me right now? He'd be like, look at his face. Watch his face change. Oh yeah, like look at him. He's sad now. Like, what a dick. Yeah, I think it's done, man. GITS is done. MINM looking pretty done. LIXT though. LIXT though. Loki got a crush. Time is it? 11:03. Bruh. Bruh. What was that daily level? Hmm. Uh-oh. GITS then got a little kick. There's the trend line break now, Trey. It's like high school. Your standards are wrong. Your standards for it being done are wrong, my friend. It went up another. It went up like another $30 from where it was done. uh, I think you missed more of the move than you got, bro. Yeah. Oh, for sure. For sure. It's okay to lose trades too. And miss calls. It's all part of the game, bro. There you go. Now that's a sword. Yeah. Suspended. It is halted. Yeah, me too. Me too. It's definitely becoming easier to not trade outside my setup. It's just so much that I used to get excited and chase. It's just not even a factor today, anyway. Last few days. Yeah. That is all. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I'm starting to see that. Hey, what's up, Harwin Herrera? Man, I used to use trading terminal scanner, and I really miss it a lot. I might actually pay for it. They just put a paywall up for it. Um a $50 paywall, which isn't, $50 a month for what they give you. It is worth it. But I've actually been using Zendu on YouTube lately. They stream a scanner, and I just been using that every morning. You can just search Zendu, I think it's on YouTube, and they got live scanners every morning. But yeah, Stock Rocks. Oh, you use Zendu as well? Cool. Yeah, eventually trade ideas is definitely the goal. For sure. But how much is trade ideas? Oh, day trade dash. Okay, that's what's up. Over 200. Yeah. How much is day trade dash, Harwin? You don't even look at it. Big baller, baby, baby. Said, man, I don't just they just charge it to my card, bro. I don't. 179 a month. Let's just get an email. You think Benzinga beats trade ideas? Whoa, that's a big statement right there, HH. All right, HA. So what you think's better about Benzinga? Like, I didn't even Stock Rocks. Is that free? Stock Rocks free scanners. Is that on YouTube? Oh, okay. Let me check them out real quick. See what they looking like. Oh, they actually got the trade idea scanners. Hmm.
RGC.
That's
CTXR.
pretty cool. A lot more to dig through here.
VOYG.
RGC. C.
Got the squawk and everything. Hmm. Man, good looking out, y'all. I'm gonna add this to my morning scan. Like that. Yeah, I'm in timeout, man. I kind of blew up my account at the end of last month, so I'm paper trading until I send some more money over there. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm using free stuff on YouTube, Red Devil. But Stock Rocks looks cool. Yeah, I just need a good scanner for in the mornings, man. Once I get my watch list built, I'm closing the scanner, so I don't need the live squawk and all of that. All out, man. Top tick as usual. Yeah, that's all I need is a good pre-market scanner. So Zendu is really clean and simple. They got a low float column that's perfect for me. Um, yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, that's exactly where I'm at, OG. Like I'm I'm with the struggle squad, YouTube University for education, free tools, Webull, and all of that. Bro, I couldn't get TradingView to load anything in the morning. Like it was just blank. So I had to ditch that real quick, Trey. I was excited about it, but I just didn't load anything for me. I don't think my yeah, I ended up deselecting everything just to get stuff to show up. But my criteria was just like 5% gap, like really light criteria. So I don't know what's going on. Hmm. Top tick plus one. You get a dark pool feel at the top. Yeah, I forgot about that. I'm gonna send an email and see if I can do that tomorrow because that would be much better. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. Yeah, I think I lost Black Beauty Machine. She was like, I didn't know you were paper trading. I'm out of here. I'm sorry. Market closed tomorrow and Friday, bro. Like, what's happening? What are we supposed to do? Replay trades, no loyalty. Yeah, been trading live from last year and a half with like I don't know. I've probably paper traded maybe a week total, a week or two total over the last year and 3 months streaming live. I think I've been doing okay. Hmm. Yeah, I think I could probably get I feel like I could make trade ideas, find my exact setup I'm looking for, like the EMA reset and all of that, but the daily got to be right and all that. Yeah, I definitely feel like it could be easier to find what I'm looking for, but just combing through the dailies in the morning, I think is good enough. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're not taking any trades today, folks. Everything is dying. Oh yeah, I got hotkeys for my DOS platform. That's how I roll my entries for sure. And I got hot buttons that I usually use for my sales. Yeah, I love DOS. We'll be back. We're coming back real soon, inshallah, with a tighter game plan for risk management. And I just think I'm over a lot of the mistakes that really messed me up last month. Yeah, I didn't have anything. I've only been trading low floats like the last couple months, and I've only been caught in a down halt a couple times. But I got my hotkey set now, but it just won't feel a lot of the times. It just literally won't feel me. The stop loss will get triggered. I'll send a market order to get out. It won't. Some halts are just unavoidable, apparently. Yeah, this volume is atrocious. Is this the 5? God. Ten to 15, 6. That's a lot. But I don't understand how a market order doesn't get filled. Yeah, like how can't you mark it out, bro? That does not make any sense to me. Like you're looking at the time in sales, seeing all these orders fly through, and you send a market order, you should get filled. Yeah, that's crap. That's some crap. One of the biggest thing. Oh, for sure, technical. They're just tools. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely something I'm still working on is getting out of those emergency situations, but yeah. That's how I feel about it, Red Devil. Like I still don't practically understand how that's possible. But, all of this stuff is manipulation and like these small caps I'm sure are mostly borderlining the line of fraud and all kind of practices. So, we want to play in these volatile waters. Just kind of got to accept the downsides that come with that. Yeah. What can you do? Yeah. It seems like most of those flushes happen like near the tops though. Like I don't think I've taken like a good trade, a good entry and then just got flushed automatically. Like usually it was after the run or after I had an opportunity to take profit and it was up and then it flushed. I don't know. I got to go back and look at those, but I don't think I've ever just like jumped into something and it immediately flushed, unless I got like a high of day buy or something like that. Really? Hmm. Yeah, I might have to talk to somebody about that. What does this even look like on the one? Yeah, very ridiculous. Yeah. That makes sense. Nice. Yeah. So it does make sense. And that's why cannot buy high day breakouts on small caps. That is why. Hey, yeah, I just mean actually buying the breakout itself, though. Pullback is definitely the way. Yeah, I don't know if there's really a need to get excited about this, though, when the market is about done for the day, huh? And there's not like any volume over here. Hmm. Wow, GITS is done. BMNR back down to 98, 99. Candles getting small. You talking about on BMNR? Appreciate you, T-Lo. Yeah, y'all hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. We are on our way, man. Gosh. Oh, LIXT. Yeah, 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 for sure. That is my line in the sand right now. It looked like it's trying to bubble a little bit. Um, um, EMNR, a nice little bounce off the 20 EMA. Bruh, the explosions that I've been hearing in my neighborhood, it's just like, come on, fam. Like, what is the purpose? Man, that's kind of nice. I know. People like to blow up money. Yeah. I can't do it, man. My kids be asking me like, "Can we get some fireworks?" I'm like, y'all crazy? Are y'all crazy? Yeah, that's a wrap. uh, yeah, look at that. It's cooked. It's all cooked. All right, y'all. I'm done. Blow it all up. Blow it all up. Yep. All right. Well, everybody keep your trading fingers safe over the 4th. Come back with all 10. And see y'all Monday, man. Hopefully everything is looking good, man. Yeah, yeah, for sure. Got your toes. Yeah, solid no trade day, man. Definitely just come to accept that my strategy just doesn't show up every day. And I gotta be ready to not trade when it's not here. So that when it does here, when it does show up, I can stick it to Red Devil. All right, y'all. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And y'all be safe. Peace.